Hello children. Children, now in this video I'm going to summarize chapter 15 from a Value Education book, and the name of the chapter is Curiosity. So children, curiosity is the willingness to know more and more and more about something. Every day you see a number of people around you. While some of them remain much present-minded and others do not. Those who are much present-minded are called curious. They want to know more about something or anything. If you talk to them about a certain thing, they will ask you the questions and they keep asking you so many questions. They never feel satisfied. So curiosity is a good thing about one's habit, that a man knows more and more. Thus, he becomes much informed and updated. And this helps. It helps everywhere. So in this chapter, Isha, she is a very curious girl. And she always wanted to know more and more from his teacher in the classroom. Thus, she gets many more things that the teacher could have told in the classroom. All the students in the classroom are benefited from her curiosity. Because she keeps asking questions, she'll get the answer also, and other children also, they can be updated. When at home, she asked her mommy and papa, her maternal uncle, Mr. Ashok, tells her many new things. He is a very learned man. Isha asks him more and more and he answers all her questions very well. One day, she asked him, "Uncle, what is Kohinoor? I have heard of it many times. I asked several people about it, but they could not tell me much about that." So Isha is inquiring about Kohinoor. So what his uncle did? He smiled and he said, "Dear Isha, Kohinoor is the name of world's most beautiful and costliest diamond. Costliest." Isha put up another question. Because she's a curious girl, she'll keep asking questions. "Uncle, where did he come from?" Mr. Ashok answered, "Originally, Kohinoor was obtained from a mine in the kingdom of Golconda, some 300 or 400 years ago." Again she asked, "Where is it nowadays?" So Mr. Ashok answered, "Nowadays it shines in the crown of British Queen." So it is in England. Isha's curiosity went further and she asked, "How did it reach England from Golconda in India?" Mr. Ashok was happy with Isha on her curiosity. Mr. Ashok answered, "A Persian invader, Nadir Shah, attacked India in 1739-80. Defeating India, he took away many valuables with him. So Kohinoor also was one of these valuables. And later, it was taken to England by the British." Thus, by asking simple questions, Isha came to know the whole story, whole history of Kohinoor. When she came across the questions of general knowledge quiz, that is, who took away Kohinoor diamond from India, she was very quick to answer that. Her teacher, Miss Pratibha, wondered how could she answer the questions as she has not taught that till then. Later, she praised Isha for her curiosity. So children, curiosity makes you up to date. So keep asking questions. Keep yourself informed and updated. Thank you, children.